Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get my money out of Binance US. First, sign into your account and verify two-factor authentication is enabled for safety. Next, review your balance and transaction history to identify available funds and any holds. Then choose a withdrawal method, noting fees, limits, and typical processing times so you can pick the fastest and cheapest approach for your needs. Start by linking your bank account under Wallet and complete micro-deposits or instant verification steps. Convert crypto to USD or a supported stablecoin to avoid volatility during transfer. Choose ACH for lower fees or Wire for speed, enter the exact account and routing numbers, then confirm the transaction and keep the confirmation until pick a reputable external wallet and copy its receive address exactly, taking care with network selection to prevent loss. Be mindful of withdrawal minimums and variable network fees that affect total received funds. Always send a small test transfer first, confirm receipt, then send the remainder once you are confident the address and network are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.